Your sound is very low. Voice.
Voice is low.
No, sir, audible is.
Now okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Comfortable.
Okay, fine. All right. So what we have today is a jam session. What is jam? I will tell you later. But first, let us have attendance. Mahavir Singh is not there. Parth is there. Panin is not there. Vivek is there. Milan,
Sir.
David Singh,
Yes, sir.
yeah. Raj, no. Rajan,
Yes, sir.
Dharmesh, Umnath,
Yes, sir.
Yashpal, Digar. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, as I have mentioned here, what you have to do is you have to speak up for 1 minute. All right. So we can have one word. And what you have to do is you have to speak up on that particular word for about 1 minute minimum. Okay. So I'm just typing. We will make it little simple one. So I will type set of words, whichever word you feel like more number of words or sentences. Hindi. Okay, everyone can see the list of words. Everybody, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So just choose any one of this word for which you have to speak for about 1 or 2 minutes. So let's start with Vivek first. Yeah, Jaivir Singh, I will send the list of words. You have to choose any one for which you can speak at least some sentences. Okay. So let us start with Vivek first. If someone wants to repeat the same word, then also not an issue for me. Okay. You have got so many points and someone is repeating the same word, no problem. You can do that. All right. So let's start with Vivek Dodia. Just select any one word and start speaking about it. Vivek, your time starts now. Vivek, the more delay
Yes,
you
sir.
if you delay, then the time limit will increase. Okay, you have to speak for 10 minutes
Sir,
to 20 minutes.
please do anyone first. I have some work.
You have some work.
Sir,
તો
it's
ભાઈ
urgent work.
લેક્ચરમાં
Urgent work,
ધ્યાન દે
sir.
ભાઈ. અર્જન્ટ વર્કવાળા.
It's more important than lecture, bro.
Can you? It's okay. You can leave now. Path.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please.
I
Anyone you want.
am speaking about the students.
Students. Okay, great.
A student is like that person that is all in the world. Like if you are teacher, then you are also a student
Very nice.
because
Yeah,
every
true.
person in the life they are um, every time ready for the learning. So whoever is ready for the learning, that is a student. And
So you
student,
believe in learning is a lifetime process, right?
yes, learning is
Every
a
day you
lifetime process, right?
every day you keep learning something in your life. Maybe not about technology, it could be about your personality, it could be about your behavior, it could be about speaking, could be anything, right?
Yes, and
Correct.
most like that thing is you have to be the student because you have to learn from everyone and everything. So uh, you like you have to learn from a fan, like it is continuously doing that work.
Yes. You can give example of sun also. It rises every day.
And
It never says that today I am tired, I will not rise.
yes,
Yeah. Very true. It is all about the attitude. Person should develop
yes,
attitude of student.
you are the that position of PhD, right? But you are
Correct.
still learning. So
Correct.
you are teacher,
Very
but you are student also.
absolutely. And only thing is you should know this thing.
Yes, sir.
Have that attitude, we are always student for the lifetime. Correct. Very true. Okay, great. Rajan, now your turn.
Yes, sir.
Are you traveling, Rajan?
Yes, sir. I choose a career.
Hmm.
Sir, the selection of career or profession is one of the most important process or thing of our life,
Yes.
but is equally difficult because the lack of guiding service, proper counseling, and ever increased unemployment has further complicate the matters. There is a cutthroat competition. Therefore, most of young people, I mean boys and girls, in search of suitable job are confused. A right choice of career is a importance on it does depend on success or failure in our life.
Yes, very good. Excellent. You have used many good words. Most important part is you are pronouncing it perfectly. That is career. Many times people make mistake and call it as a career.
Yes, sir.
Right? So this is a difference. Career. What is career? Anybody? Hmm. Pronunciation matters, right? Career and carrier. What is the difference?
સર ઓલો
Yes, Vivek.
સારો વજન ઉપાડી શકે ને ઈ.
Yes, yes, absolutely right. So that is carrier, the one which carries the load. That is carrier. Well, here it is career. Yeah. Now for Jigar, which word would you choose?
Yes, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, yes. So which word would you choose?
Sir, I will talk about parents.
Very good.
Sir, parents are the most valuable and beautiful God gifted for us in our lives. Parents are the most valuable thing, and they played most important role in mentally, physically, their childs, and parents teach us and guide us on the right path. Or
we can say grandparents are also considered as our parents also, and they listen to our problems and help us to make to the right. Or we can
Yes,
say parents are our second god in our life.
absolutely. So even grandparents, they share their experience because they already know under which situation how to behave. So they are the best people to guide us. You see, one more thing, just I what I observed here is when I use all these words, when you try to talk about parents, then they also act. We act as a student, and they act as our teacher, right? Then
Yes, sir.
technology also does not matter once the parents are with us. Right?
Yes, sir.
Technology is not that important compared to parents. Then in pandemic situation also, they help us understand how to live life with family. They also can counsel our marriage life and our career also. See, all these words are directly related to parents. Right? Okay,
Yes, sir.
good. Thank you, Jigar. Now over to Milan.
Yes, sir.
Which word would you choose? Please explain.
Teacher.
Okay, tell.
Uh, the makes teacher makes an important role in our life.
Yes, right. Then what else?
Teacher and then teacher is the person who, who makes children of country for good citizen.
Yes, correct. Okay, Milan, my just I want to try to help you out speaking up. So my question to you is: do you feel that the teachers they only are restricted to a particular subject or content they are teaching,
No,
or you have some indirect impact also? What are the other indirect impact you are having from the teachers? What else you learn other than subject?
other than subject like he could uh,
Art of living.
Art of living, maybe. Yes. Yes, yes, it
focus
is
કેમ
open
કરવું
for
સર
all.
આપણે attitude over of life
Focus, attitude.
attitude.
Let me ask one very simple question. What you learn from your teacher? When you observe the teacher, you forget about the subject. What else you learn?
Like is progress
Yes,
of life
please. Progress of life. Okay. Then?
Communication with
his
students.
behavior.
Yes, that is important. How to communicate, right? Okay, Milan, that is fair enough. Now, Yashpal, what is your word?
Yes sir. હું ટીચર વિશે જ બોલું સર.
Okay, carry on.
Teacher is a person who teach academic આપણે subject teach subjects and overall life of our hello
Subject and what else?
અને એન્ડ ઓલા ઓવરઓલ life of students.
Hmm. Means exactly, practically what you have observed. Just tell me. Don't go in
અને
theory.
ટૂંકમાં
When you see a
sorry ઇંગ્લિશમાં
teacher, what you are learning from them.
અરે કેમ સમજવું?
कोई वर्ड बोलो यशपाल तो I can convert into English, no problem. Suppose you have any word in Gujarati specific.
અરે સમજવું ટૂંકમાં કઈ રીતે કોઈ મોટા પેરેન્ટ્સ હોય તો કોઈ કઈ રીતે કેવી રીતના વર્તાવ કરવો ને આ બધું ટૂંકમાં લાઈફમાં કઈ રીતે બધું કરવું.
Understanding and
હા.
behavior, honesty, all these things, right?
Yes.
Punctuality. You also learn punctuality, right? When I say join on time means you become habituated with the timing. So in other parts of life also you will be regular. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now Jaivir Singh, please.
Yes, sir. Sir, on technology,
Yes.
sir, technology means, sir, I think my voice is echo.
Yashpal, please mute yourself. Whatever we are speaking,
Sorry,
it
sir.
goes to Yashpal with mute echo, right? Yeah, Jaivir, you
Yes, sir.
continue now.
Yes, sir. Sir, at my point of view, technology is a mixture of tech and logic. That means any logic is implemented in any tech situation. That's mean build technology. Means you have built something in machinery and there is no logic behind it. There is no mean of that machinery. So if you are using fan, that's logic behind it. It's giving us air and cooling. So this worth it technology. But at my point of view, the technology words comes for tech and logic, and also technology also is at that time our part of body. Without it, we cannot move a step towards the future, and also we cannot live without it.
Very
Thank you.
nice, Jaivir Singh. So I am observing right now that along with the content you have, no, logic as well as content, both things I am focusing. It should be intelligent enough, creative enough, and you are able to communicate. As far as you are able to communicate, that's not an issue, right? So I could find Vivek also giving very nice points. Out of right now, this 7 people in front of me, I can see Yashpal to be little bit going with a challenge. All other people, they are very nice. Okay. So techno and logic, I also came to know today only that there is a logic. Until and unless you don't have logic, there is no meaning. Right now it is raining, guys, outside.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
No,
sir.
sir, not here.
No, sir.
Not yet means you are in some different area. Jaivir
Ribda,
Singh?
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Ribda.
Yes, sir.
So at our MU campus, it is heavily raining right now. So can technology provide a rain to us, Jaivir Singh? Suppose I say,
Definitely,
okay,
sir.
today
Definitely.
night 9 o'clock, we want the same rain
There
again.
is some invention that I don't know the name of country, but there is some invention that country build cloud and raining from them.
Mhm.
I hear about that.
I believe that is not cloud computing, right?
No, 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 not at all. Not at all.
Yeah. All right. We'll do one thing. Let us frame the same JAM, just a minute round, and we can have in some different manner. I will list out few more words which are little different. compared to this one. This was very simple, so it was easy for you, and you can choose any one. Okay, so just give me a moment. Yes, you can see the new set of words with you. Different position. So we will first start with Jaivir Singh and later move last towards Vivek. Okay, in reverse. So are you ready with the word, Jaivir Singh?
Yes, sir. Sir, social media. So first of all, I also work in social media, also doing social media like WhatsApp, not WhatsApp, but Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all are social media platform we have. We communicate with others. We developed our business with on them. Before social media, our business can only spread in our area, but with the social media, our business, our communication, our profile make a very large area, and I
Throughout the world,
can't
yes.
throughout the world. Yes, throughout
Yes.
the world, we can sell any product on social media. We can do anything. We can build portfolio and show our work, personal work, freelancer work on social media through this social media platform.
Yes, good. Okay, now Yashpal, which word?
અરે સર બીજા ટર્ન આપો ને ત્યાં જોઈ લઉં હું સોશિયલ
Time?
સર ગૂગલ કરી લે.
મીડિયા વિચાર હતો પછી બાપુએ લઈ લીધો.
Okay, then over to Milan.
સર હું જોઈ લઉં પહેલા. હાલો.
Yashpal, yes.
નેટવર્ક ઇસ્યુ અવાજ આવતો જ સર મારો?
હા હા બરાબર.
કોલ આવી ગયો તો આરે. હાલો એક જ મિનિટ.
Now Jigar, which word would you choose?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir.
out of this list, yeah, which one would you choose and why?
Sir, I will choose corruption.
Please.
Sir,
Yeah.
uh, corruption, we can say. Can I get, sir, some time to for preparation?
You need time. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Rajan.
Yes, sir.
You can pick any one word.
Yes, sir.
You got some background noise. I think you are traveling, I believe, right, Rajan?
No, sir, no.
No? Okay.
I'm at home, sir. Now is it okay, sir?
Yes, yes.
Sir, I choose corruption.
Corruption, okay.
Corruption is abuse of interested power by person or organizer for personal gain. It is an act of dishonesty and criminal offense.
It is you are reading from Google.
No, sir.
Is India corruption free? Yes or no?
No, sir.
Why?
Sir, everyone
I
wants
think, sir,
personal.
India is a leading of corruption.
India is a
Leading role of corruption. First number,
leading
sir.
role in corruption. Okay, Vivek, that is also not true. Okay, we are not in the top 10. We are not there. At least we should
Okay,
feel
sir.
happy for that. Corruption is there little bit, but now it is drastically reduced because of this electronic communications.
Yes, sir.
Did you have experienced any corruption related issue in your life, Rajan? You can explain that part.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell.
Uh, Whenever, sir, I want uh, non-criminal certificate from local police station.
Hmm.
At that time, officer says minimum 10 to 15 days required for issue that certificate. But sir, actually, process of that certificate we complete in 10 to 15 minutes.
Mhm.
Or he wants money from my side. That's why he said that.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Rajan said absolutely yes.
You agree with that, Vivek?
Yes, sir. It's happened with me.
Mhm. Yes, correct. All right, good. Now, Parth, your turn.
Sir, I add something.
Yes, sure, sure.
Sir, whenever I call my maternal uncle and said this, and he is also in police.
Hmm.
Then he called them and he said he is my nephew. Then uh, he will
Hmm.
he will issue that certificate in 10
Without
minutes,
any
sir.
cost, right?
In
Without
10
any.
minutes, sir. 10 minutes. He said, oh, officer is not here. That's why. Now suddenly issue in 10 minutes. Sir.
That too without any charge, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in some kind of services, yes, it does happen. Yes, Parth.
Yes, sir. I choose the topic of Bollywood in life.
Good.
So, we Bollywood in life means we have to learn something from the Bollywood. Like we are every time we are saying that Bollywood is copying from the other movie, and that's all. But when we are doing that kind of practice or that kind of mm, like a stunt, at that time, um, their dedication, their strength, their regular routines, their like maintain the body, like every day going into gym, walking, running, and they are maintaining their body at your own. They are copying movies, that another thing. But what we have to learn, that is our point of view. So we have to think different and get the best thing from that.
Yes, absolutely. There are two sides of a coin, right? Some people watch movies and they see the some scenes, like
Yes, yes. For the enjoying.
that's okay. But on the contrary, there are a lot of movies where you see sports personality related life, right? Then some people from which we can
Biography,
learn biographies. Yes, absolutely. You
true
use
events,
very
sir.
good word, biographies. True stories are also coming up nowadays. They try to frame that it looks very, very true. Correct, Parth.
Thank you, sir.
So now who all are remaining? Milan is remaining, I think. Yashpal and Milan and Vivek.
Yes, sir. Sir, NRI?
Yes, yes.
That topic I choose. You can't speak about NRI Milan.
Okay, Vivek, we can have hundreds of
No, no, sir, I'm
such
just
things,
kidding,
no
Milan.
problem.
Milan, you can
Both
continue.
of you can do it parallel also.
હું એટલે જ બોલીશ તું એના કરતા વધારે બોલી નાખજે ને.
Milan, yes.
Sir, NRI is a person that birth in our country, but
Yeah, that is
he
definition. What I want is your
bo-
life experience about what type of people NRI are.
NRI
Experience,
is
good
the
experience, bad experience, everything. If you have came across in your life Milan and Vivek, any NRIs in and around family?
No, sir.
Hmm. Then it's difficult. Okay, then you can speak up, no, whatever you know.
Sir, I speak.
Yes, Vivek.
Sir, I think NRI is we can see positive or negative two sides of NRI.
Yes.
Whenever, sir, great people or sharp-minded people leaving the India and do job for the other country and serve other country, I think it's loss for India because of the R&D and the less. Uh, I think, sir, આ બધી સવલતોને ઇંગ્લિશમાં શું કહેવાય?
Such talent is going away from us.
Facilities.
Some facilities. The people, Indian people are leaving India because of facilities the other country provide them.
Yes,
In
right.
India, and I think India, so many populations that they think we move in other countries, so they live better life compared to India. Hello.
Yes, yes. So yes, I can share this thing because I have been person acting as NRI himself myself only, and I also had experience of people who come around. So they always need water, right? Which must be a mineral water. Otherwise, and they are fed up with the temperature. They always say so much of temperature and so dusty in India, right? This is not a good country to live, right? So live, when we use this word, no, not a good country to live or leave, Leave, right? Both are opposite. So yes, some people, they are when they go to other countries, they realize that yeah, a lot of good things are there which we do not have. But on the contrary, there are a lot of other things in our culture which is not there in other countries also, right? The best thing we have is our culture, and that's the reason for being into our own country for everyone, right? Okay, so Yashpal is remaining now, I think last.
yes, sir.
You can, as Jaivir Singh has mentioned, you can speak about social media only. Thousands of points are there, you can add up.
Yes, sir. એમ તો બે સોશિયલ મીડિયા વિશે બોલીને આપણે ઓલું શું કે ઇન્ડિયન પોલિટિક્સ બીજો.
Then I think politics will be better because I am not familiar. I am a very basic learner in politics. I don't know anything. So you can guide.
Indian politics is one of the massive politics in our community.
True.
There are so many different parties like Bajap, Congress, etc. Hello.
Yes, yes. Then what else? What other things are going on in politics? Or maybe you can speak about current political situation. It is good or bad?
એ તો બેડ જ હોય ને સર અત્યારે તો.
No, but in worst situation, are they able to handle it rightly, or they are a failure? Is the current political party able to handle the pandemic correctly, or they are a failure? Yashpal, what do you say?
ના સિચ્યુએશન તો કરન્ટલી હેન્ડલ કરી લીધી સર.
Hmm.
હેલો.
Yes, yes. Try to speak in English.
અરે
So I think Yashpal, you need a lot of practice. You need to. I
I
don't know if
think he is
it is
not
possible.
getting words, proper words
Yes, yes.
for speak.
That's why, if possible, in person, it will be more beneficial. Let us be hopeful.
યસ સર.
If you are coming over here, then maybe hopefully we'll be able to do it in a better way.
યસ.
Right. So we got 10 more minutes to go. Meanwhile, I can share my experience, and from that, if you are able to get some points, you can also join with me in between also. Okay. So
Sir, can I say on Indian politics? Hello.
when I came back here, I could see the people who are running a bike on the walkway, right? Because in here, what I observed in Rajkot is, on the one side of service road, there is a walkway where we can walk nicely, right? But on the walkway also, the bikers are coming and they are honking. So I just stopped one biker and told to the biker that this is not the way for you, and you should not do this. You have to be on the road, not here, right? So he just laughed at me, and in typical Gujarati style, he said that I will know why, and then he went away. So this is what I have realized also, what I have observed in terms of traffic sense. People do come from wrong side also. I think most of you being a student, I really doubt whether you all are also doing like this or not. I don't know.
No, sir.
Vivek, you want to share something?
Yes, sir. In our traffic rule, we left side always open for the vehicle. Are you agree with me, sir?
Your voice is not clear.
Hello.
Hmm.
It's coming, sir.
Yes.
Sir, if you want to turn left in a traffic signal,
Yes.
they are always open for left
Yes. Yes.
vehicle.
I absolutely agree.
And
Yes.
sir,
Left
when the
side should
red
be
lights are
always
coming,
open,
stop,
but
and
someone
people,
is standing in between, and we are
yes,
not
sir.
able to go on left also. We have to
And
put a horn.
compulsory to wait for the open for signal.
Yes. Yes. Then also we have to wait. That is horrible.
Yes, sir.
Agree. This I have also noted. especially auto walas. They will move towards extreme left, then they will put a U-turn because of the triangular shape that auto has. They are taking the benefit of it. They can move towards any side. Okay, anyone wants to share anything? Anybody? Or else we can wind up for the day.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes, David.
So, what is the meaning of democratic?
Name of democratic means
Means we say that this country is a democracy country.
the
The
meaning of democratic.
yes.
Okay, okay. Democratic means swatantra. Democratic means every person has a right to share their views and ideas. Okay, if I feel this is not correct, the government will together decide. See, earlier we used to have only two type of system: democracy, and other is dictatorship. Dictatorship means like a king. Okay, whatever king says, you have to obey. Suppose I am a king and I say that I like green color, right? Then I will tell all my citizens everyone must wear green color. If anyone is wearing white or blue color, I will just kill them. Okay, so that is dictatorship. While democracy means we also have a prime minister who is the ultimate owner, right? But he will take the decision by discussions, right? So democracy means we ask each other and then come to the conclusion. That is the meaning. Okay.
So we can say that our uh, Indian peoples are very means Indian people say that they are not democratic. They are kings of the country. What they want.
Democracy, yeah, responsibility and freedom both goes hand in hand. That is the problem. If I give you a freedom, suppose I say, okay, Javid, you can come to the college anytime and you can do anything in the campus. Suppose I give you this special permission. What will happen? It may happen that sometimes if you become angry, yes, Vivek,
Nothing, sir.
so you may become angry and you may damage some property, right? So that is what that's why I say freedom and responsibility both goes hand in hand. So we all are given the freedom, but it is up to us that we should not take undue advantage of it, right? So rules are there. We have only framed the rules. Suppose he is telling that you can see the people coming from left side or they are stopping. What we will do? We can fine. Suppose we are the officer, we will fine them 1,000 rupees or 2,000, or we can scold them or shout to them. But how many times we will do? Every day 500 people are doing this, then it becomes difficult, right? So maintaining such environment, that is the biggest challenge for us.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay then, boys, you can leave now. Let us stop for the day, and I'll come up with some new and better ideas for interaction in the next session. I
Thank
hope
you,
you
sir.
like.
Have a good day.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you,
you,
sir.
and same to you. Bye bye. Everyone can leave now.